A lot of parents worry about बच्चों का attention span बहुत कम है. Teachers also say that. And the thing is that attention is not something we are born with. It is a skill. And किसी भी skill की तरह इसको धीरे 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 develop किया जाता है. Just giving them more stimulation, a more device, कोई एक और app, कोई एक और game बाजार में जो इतने आते हैं for developing attention, उससे ज़रूरी नहीं है that ये attention इनका बढ़ता चला जाए. You might be actually taking them away in a different direction. बहुत से तो होते हैं यहाँ. What if I were to suggest some 5 small experiments that you could do to see that कोई फर्क पड़ता है क्या? आप करके देखिए, सिंपल से हैं, घर में होता है. Number 1, 10 मिनट्स के लिए कोई भी एक फिजिकल किताब पढ़ने दीजिए बच्चों को. उनको चुनने दीजिए. Let them select the book, but 10 minutes without any other device or distraction. Number 2, 1 meal at least without any device. No other entertainment. गप्पे लगाइए, jokes कीजिए, family chatter. Just have fun having a meal together. Number 3, actually protect the boredom. Boredom is a good idea because वहाँ पे the mind wanders and creative ideas come. हर वक्त stimulation की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Number 4, movement, body movement, not with the constant earpods or some ear device and dancing. Movement like walk पे जाएं, bike पे जाएं, let them just run, let them swim, because it's not necessary to consume content all the time. It's nice to allow the mind to be free when you are doing your body movement, and उस वक्त बहुत बढ़िया ideas आपको आ सकते हैं. Number 5, जो शुरू किया है वो खत्म करने की आदत डालिए. Complete whatever you started. Don't keep jumping activities. Finish that chapter, finish that drawing, complete that puzzle. जो भी आप कर रहे हो, because you have to force the brain to complete a task, and that's the way to build attention. The prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain which is responsible for focus and attention, ये भी धीरे धीरे डेवलप हो रहा है. उसी तरह से हमको धीरे धीरे attention की आदत भी डालना है. जैसे हम स्विमिंग सीखते हैं, the first time when you are asked to go underwater and hold your breath, बड़ा uncomfortable लगता है ना, even for children. That doesn't mean that they can't do it. They come up very uncomfortable, but the more they practice, the better they are going to get at it, right? It's the same with attention. The more you practice all these couple of 5 things that I've suggested, the better it gets. Give them these kind of things. That's the greatest gift you can give them for building their attention, and not more and more stimulation.